Now we will understand with an example the relationship between part complexity and part cost. So a major implication on the cost is the complexity of the part. But we have to keep in mind that the complexity and its effect on cost is different for different processes. The relationship is not the same for all the processes. Some processes scale better in terms of complexity as compared to others. By part complexity, I mean the complexity of the geometry of the part. So if the part geometry is very complex, it has multiple design features, multiple cutouts, multiple profiles, etc., then the manufacturing becomes much more complex. So here is a graph which is comparing the sheet metal process and the plastic injection molding process. In the y-axis, it is the part cost. In the x-axis, it is the part complexity. So part complexity may be measured in the number of design features of the part. The more the number of design features and the more the complex the design features are, the higher the complexity will be. So as you can see, the two graphs, one is blue is for plastic injection molding, and the green one is for sheet metal. So for simple geometries, for sheet metal components, the price is much lower as compared to the injection molding plastic component. For the same application, we are talking about the same application. For the sheet metal, it will be much cheaper to manufacture as compared to making a plastic part. Let's say, for example, a simple operation would be a simple bending operation. So you take a sheet and bend it. So that would be the most simplest type of sheet metal operation. But when we increase the complexity of the part, let's say by adding a stamped profile or a drawn profile to the sheet metal or increasing the sheet metal thickness, in that case, the price of sheet metal will increase very drastically as compared to that of injection molding. So for injection molding, the part cost may increase in a linear fashion, but for sheet metal, it might tend towards exponential growth of cost. So any increase in sheet metal complexity will add majorly to the overall cost of the part, and any increase in the injection molding part complexity will not add that much. That is the meaning of this graph. So sheet metal, as it gets more complex, can have increasing amount of die work and welding, and that requires larger presses, for example. Whereas plastics made in injection molding would just need to have a more complex die, and the other equipment may remain the same. So in the case of injection molding, we might have to just change the die, but in the case of sheet metal, we might have to change the whole press.